Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you can get the notifications of all my videos related to scholarships, fellowships, jobs, internships and technical tips and tricks. In this video, I will tell you how to apply for internship for different positions at Tesla to work remotely. Tesla is offering different internships and these are paid internships, which means you will get monthly stipends, and in case of travel for the purpose of company's given task, the company will bear all the travel cost. So everyone must apply for this and there is no specific deadline for any position. Duration of these internships are from 3 to 12 months. Individuals from any region or individuals from all around the world can apply. The application remains open throughout the year. The applicant needs to follow the website in order to get into the desired internship opportunity. Let's get started. I am currently at dashboard of Tesla official website. Just scroll it down to the bottom of the page and you will see the career option in the footer. Just click on the career option and it will lead you to the jobs page. Now we are at careers page. Just scroll a little down and you will see there is a search all jobs button. Click this button and you will have all jobs internships at one page. Now in the search bar, just write internship and it will filter out the opportunities related to internships at Tesla. Now you have all internships filtered out at one place. Now scroll and go through them and find out which internship matches your qualification, expertise and experience. For example, as I am a computer science graduate, this post, which is software full stack engineering internship, is related to my qualification. Let's click this and explore and find out what requirements are required for this internship. You can also filter out the specific result on the basis of some data like your specific job category, specific region, specific city, etc. Now going back to previous post, there is complete information available for this post like job location, job category and job type, etc. Now you can see there is also a remote option available in the locations, which means if you are from remote area, you can also apply for this internship and do this remotely. Now in requirements, they clearly mentioned that a candidate must be working towards BS, MS or any advanced studies in a relevant engineering program such as computer science or software engineering. Also, a candidate must have the expertise and knowledge of React.js, JavaScript, HTML, CSS at front end. React.js is JavaScript library for building user interfaces, and candidate must have experience and expertise in Go, Ruby on Rails, Python and MySQL at backend, and he or she must have knowledge and experience of C#, .NET Framework and AngularJS. There are also different other requirements written over there. You can explore them out and check which positions matches your expertise and education. After finding out the relevant position, just click on the apply button and it will lead you to the registration page, where it will ask you to sign in or sign up accordingly. If you are already a Tesla candidate, which means you already have your credentials, then you can sign in with your own credentials. And if you are new to this, then you can sign up by clicking on quick apply button. It will ask you to fill out the form with your own details and upload your resume as well. After filling this form, Click on next button and follow the steps. After that, it will prompt you a message after applying for any internship, and you will get the response within the few days. Keep this in mind. There are also job opportunities available here at Tesla. You can also explore them as well if you are looking for a full-time job. And if you are looking for an internship, you can also explore them as well too. Let me explore another internships opportunity. Which is software applications engineering internship. In this you can see the job type, job category and job location as well. If there is mentioned that job location is also remote, then you can do this job remotely from all around the world. And here is the complete information of responsibilities and requirements. You can check them out and also find out if this internship match your expertise or education or not. There are bundles of internships opportunity available at Tesla. You can explore and find them as well. I hope you will like this video. Please like the video if you find this helpful, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos and hit the bell icon for notifications of all internships, free courses, jobs, scholarships, fellowships and technical tips and tricks videos. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Till then, Allah Hafiz.